He's a peacekeeper, not an enforcer. In fact, he seldom uses force. He does not want a crime wave to hit Mayberry to justify an increase in his salary or budget or staff. On the contrary, he would view an increase in local crime as a personal failure. He's apt to downplay rather than exaggerate the importance of his job. His focus is on creating an environment that discourages crime in the first place. Third, in every instance, Sheriff Taylor attempts to smooth over and diffuse problems rather than escalate them. He invariably looks for simple, common sense, polite answers to conflicts rather than using his legal authority to threaten or arrest. He rarely concerns himself with technical application of the law, but rather uses his judgment to solve problems and make them go away with the least fuss possible. He never makes a bad situation worse. For example, in one memorable scene,
smuð over, smuð over.